Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So by the way, this works also for the Note 9 Pro Max and Note 9S. So first of all, we have to remove the Google account, because if you want to resell it or something like this, then the new owner cannot work with the phone without knowing the password. Let's go to the settings. So scroll down here and tap here on the symbol for the settings. So then we have to scroll down to the point account and sync, and then you go here on the point Google. So, and if we go here on more, below on more, we can remove the account. So ask if we're really sure. Yes, we want to remove the account. Yes, we are sure, because the protection of the device will go. But this is what the other one, what would be the problem for the new owner, because he cannot do something without knowing the password and so on. So then if you have a password here on your phone, like me, the phone password, you just have to enter it here, like as you want to unlock the screen and so on. So, and now the Google account is disappeared. Okay, now we can start really. So with off the phone. Okay, now we'll forward a bit and then we are back. Okay, wait a few seconds that the phone is really off and so on, and if it's completely off, then use the power button and the volume up button. So hold these buttons until you see here the Redmi logo. Leave then the buttons if you feel a vibration, and then go on the second point here, wipe data. Oh, it doesn't work with the finger. It's a good point, because then we will work here with the buttons. So go down with the volume down button, go up with the volume up button. So let's go down to the wipe data with the volume down button, and let us confirm with the power button. Okay, now it's asking us if we are really sure, because we will wipe all the data. Yes, we are. So use the power button to confirm. So he's asking if we're really sure, because we would erase all our data on the phone. So it would be like brand new and so on. So if you feel ready so just go here and confirm. And then confirm again with the power button. And yeah, so back to the main menu. Also this works very fast, by the way, so that's it's not a big deal. But the next one, so confirm again with the power button to go back to the main menu, and the reboot will take a bit longer. So if you're on reboot now, press the power button again and say reboot to system. So use the power button again. So, and that will take a few minutes, absolutely normal. And then the phone is completely resetted, and you start like as a brand new, like as you have bought it brand new and so on. So you have to enter your Google account and so on and so on. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.